There are a variety of people around you who have unique personality. Whenever somebody asks you that, how they are, and if you are unable to answer that question, then I'm here to help you out from that situation, guys. This is Snail Agre here, and let's start the video. Generous people are the ones who give more than what is expected from them. When you decide to go one step beyond what is expected of you, it means that you are being generous to others. A generous person is friendly, helpful, and willing to see the good qualities in someone or something. Now, let's take a look at some of the generous people in India. Azim Premji is the second richest man in India who have pledged to donate half of his wealth, that is almost $16 billion, to the poor people. There is no doubt that he has acquired a legendary status among the poor people in India.
You are too generous to travel with me.
Now the next word which we have is pompous. Pompous persons are the persons who show that they are the only one who is important. They are arrogant and they possess a huge ego. If you describe someone as pompous, you mean that they behave or speak in a very serious way because they think they are more important than they really are.
Pompous celibate.
We all know about the expression down to earth. Down to earth means being open and honest. It's your fortune if you have got any down to earth person in your life because they are very hard to find. They are the ones who treat people equally and behave nicely. A down to earth person is the opposite of someone who acts important. If you ever got a comment as down to earth person, then congratulations because it's a huge compliment. An aggressive person has a quality of anger and determination that makes them ready to attack other people. An aggressive person behaves angrily or violently towards other people. People who are aggressive in their work or other activities behave in a very forceful way because they are very eager to succeed.
Anyone ever tell you you play a very aggressive game?
Pessimistic people are the people who habitually see the worst. To be pessimistic means you believe evil outweighs the good and the bad things are more likely to happen. So, pessimistic people are usually pretty negative. The pessimistic word comes from the Latin word pessimus, which means worst.
Philosophical terms, I'm what's called a pessimist.
Now we are going to discuss about the secretive people. If you don't like sharing your information or letting other people know how you feel, it means that you are a secretive person. Secretive people probably make the best spies. When a person is secretive, they seem mysterious because they don't reveal much about themselves. They are the person who don't like to reveal much things. A cynical person is a person who believes that only selfishness motivates human actions and who disbelieves in selfless acts. If you describe someone as cynical, you mean that the person to whom you are saying always believes that people always act selfishly. If you are cynical about something, you don't believe that it can be successful or the people involved in the act are honest. Abusive persons are the persons who treat other people in a very cruel, violent, and in an unfair way. They are characterized by insulting or the coarse language which they use. Now, the next word which we have is greedy. If you are obsessed with something and you can't get enough of it, it means that you are greedy for it. Being greedy means you want more and more of something, especially money. Rich people who keep trying to get more and more money are often accused by being greedy. A gluttonous person is greedy for food. Now the next word which we have is thick-skinned. The definition of thick-skinned person is someone who is not easily upset or insulted and who can take criticism in a very well manner. They don't get easily hurt by criticism and insult. Now let's take a look at some of the examples. First one is she has pretty thick skin when it comes to criticism. And the second example is if you want to perform publicly, you will need to grow a thicker skin. So these are the examples. Now the next word which we have is affectionate. Being affectionate to others, it means being warm, tender, and loving to them. Affectionate words and actions show love, liking, and compassion. If you are affectionate, you show your love or fondness for another person in the way you behave with them. Now, the next word is optimistic. An optimistic person thinks the best possible thing will happen and hopes for it, even if it is not likely to happen. If you see the glass as half full and not as half empty, it means that you are an optimistic person. And again, if you look on the brighter side of the things, it means that you are an optimistic person. Now, the next word is ambitious. Ambitious persons are keen and enthusiastic persons who work very hard and they have a strong desire and determination to succeed. Ambitious persons set goals and they take all out effort to achieve it.